Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by getting hardware and software ready. Power the bullets and make sure their battery is adequate. If they held old connections, reset them now with a long 10-second press. Next, turn on Bluetooth on both devices and keep their Bluetooth screens open so you can accept prompts quickly. Once done, bring the headphones close to device A and prepare device B to remain discoverable. This avoids delays and dropped pairing steps during the two-device process. Now pair sequentially. First, press and hold the multifunction button until the LED blinks blue to enter pairing. On device, select the bullets and confirm the connection and audio playback. You want a stable primary link first. After device A is established, press the pairing button briefly to re-enter discoverable mode. Don't fully power off. Then on device B, select the bullets from its Bluetooth list and accept pairing. This sequence ensures the bullets register two active devices rather than replacing the original link. Finish by verifying both devices show connected audio profiles. On some phones, you may need to enable media versus call audio separately. If you hear only one source, toggle media playback on the desired device and pause the other. The headphones will switch. If connections fail, update the bullets firmware and Android or iOS Bluetooth stacks, then forget and repair both devices. One key troubleshooting tip: if pairing keeps dropping, disable other nearby Bluetooth devices and reboot both phones and the bullets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.